Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into history as we explore the incredible and mysterious lost city of Pompeii. Trust me, you won't believe what we've unearthed. We're here at the mesmerizing ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time for nearly 2 millennia. Stick around as we uncover the secrets hidden beneath these ancient streets. Pompeii was a bustling city until that fateful day in 79 AD when Mount Vesuvius erupted. Did you know the ash preserved everything, giving us a unique snapshot into daily life back then? I've got a special guest with me today, an archaeologist who's been working on the latest discoveries. What can you tell us about the incredible artifacts you found? Hold on to your togas. We've got a mind-blowing time-lapse of how experts are restoring and reconstructing the city. It's like watching history come back to life. Ever wondered what the ancient Romans ate? We're trying out some authentic Pompeian recipes, and let me tell you, it's a taste of history. We've stumbled upon a hidden chamber that's been untouched for centuries. Who knows what secrets we might find? Join us as we explore the unknown. That's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, MG Journey Through Time. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, history is always full of surprises. See you in the next viral adventure.